Can you believe what really goes on behind the scenes on a luxury yacht when the cameras are rolling? Below Deck Down Under Season 4, Episode 11 served up a chaotic buffet of drama that has fans absolutely reeling. Crew member Ellie accidentally doused guests, scrambled eggs and not them in the soap. Yes, you heard that right, leaving them tasting dawn instead of breakfast, and her own job hanging by a thread. But the kitchen wasn't the only place things were boiling over. The explosive love triangle between Giles, Ellie, and Daisy escalated, as Giles clumsily tried to friend-zone Ellie for Daisy, only for Ellie to totally miss the memo and bake him a birthday cake. Meanwhile, Deckhand Mike's ego reached sky-high levels, culminating in him brazenly spoiling the primary guest's top-secret drag show surprise. Despite frantic efforts to keep the makeup artist a secret, Mike's slip of the tongue blew the covert operation wide open, leading to him shamelessly lying to guests about his involvement, though production had the receipts. Chief Stew Daisy, already at her wits' end dealing with Mike's defiance and Ellie's oblivious romantic gestures, was left hanging on by a thread as the crew imploded around her. This episode was a masterclass in yachting blunders and personal betrayals, leaving fans buzzing about who will actually get fired next. For all the exclusive insights into Hollywood's hottest reality shows, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Your go-to source for Hollywood gossip. Subscribe for unbiased reporting.